Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Focus Android YouTube channel. Today I have got something exciting to show you, the Soundtech 2.1 microphone. We are going to unbox it right now. As I unbox this mic, you are already hearing my voice recording directly through it, with absolutely no editing or sound effect. What you hear is what you get. This microphone costs around 500,000 Indonesian rupiah or about $30 USD. Honestly, for this price, I think this is one of the best microphone you can get in its class. Before buying, I did a lot of research for a recommended microphone in the 500k rupiah range. So many content creators review and highly recommended this one. Pricing is clear and pleasant sound quality. That's what ultimately confines me. So what's in the box? Let's dive into the box and see what we get. First up, a warranty card. This product comes with 1 year's warranty, which is great for peace of mind. Next, we have the user manual, always good to have for reference. And here's the star of the show, the microphone unit itself. It feels pretty sturdy and robust. The body seems to be combined of metal and plastic, giving it a good, durable feel. Then there's the stand for base for the microphone. And finally, we have the connector cable to link the microphone to your device. Here's what the microphone looked like when I assembles on the stand. To be honest, I do find the stand is a bit less sturdy than I like, and it's made of plastic. You might want to consider investing in separate microphone arm or bracket for better stability. Let's take a closer to look at the bottom of the microphone. On the right there, USB Type-C port. You can connect this to your gadget using the include USB-C to USB-A cable. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug the USB-A end into your computer or laptop and you are ready to go. If you plan to use with your mobile phone, you will need a USB OTE adapter. Next to that, there's another hole which I believe it's for attaching a bracket. And then we have an audio jack, which is super handy for monitoring own voice directly from the microphone. Moving to the side, you will find a knob to change recording modes. First one is cardioid mode, unidirectional, perfect for focusing on a single sound source. Next, in the middle is mute mode, instantly mute the microphone. And next one is omni mode, omnidirectional. It's great for recording sound for all direction. On the other side, there a button for noise reduction. I have to say the noise suppression on this mic is pretty decent. While a little bit of outside noise still creeps in, it significantly helps reduce background direction, which is a huge plus, especially in my somewhat noisy home environment. Below that, you will find control for volume gain and echo. You simply press the button to switch between adjusting volume, indicated by blue light, for gain, and the echo, indicated by green light. Overall, I am genuinely impressed and very satisfied with the sound of quality of this microphone. It's truly delivers excellent audio for its price point. The minor drawback, as I mentioned, the stand, which could be more robust. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.